What's good, guys? It's your boy Jay Strong coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to be addressing some questions about the Eflex Fuel E85 kit that I've been getting. So as you guys know, probably know if you've been to the channel, that I installed the Eflex Fuel E85 kit on my C5Z06 about almost a little over a year ago, and I've been getting questions about it, on YouTube, and I'm sorry that I haven't been able to get back to those questions. Sometimes YouTube just doesn't give me the notifications, and I've seen that the guys over at Eflex Fuel do answer those questions. So one of the questions is, how is it holding up? Honestly, the kit is holding up very well. I still run E85. I'll run full E85, and that's another question I'll answer too. I've been running full E85 since I got the kit. The car hasn't had any issues, no check engine lights, nothing of that sort, you know what I'm saying? The car loves it, and the car feels so much more violent and powerful, you know what I'm saying, than it did before. So I can tell that it does do something. Like I said, I haven't gotten it dynoed just yet, but I will be getting it dynoed pretty soon for you guys, just to let you guys know what those numbers are looking like, and then I'll show you guys what the numbers were before. Another question is, can you run with stock injectors? So yes, you can run some stock injectors, but you're gonna have to run a blend of pump gas and E85. So you have to run 91 or 93 depending on where you're at, and then E85 mixed in with that. And it's because their injectors aren't E85 compatible. So you don't want to risk, messing up your injectors or messing up your engine doing that. So yeah, so if you have stock injectors, you can run a mixed blend, but I would recommend upgrading those injectors to E85 compatible ones. So you could keep your stock size, just upgrade the injectors to E85 compatible ones. Another thing is, like, how do I like the kit? I love the kit. Honestly, the kit is probably one of my favorite mods that I've done to the car so far. Like I said, it's giving me a little bit more power, cheaper gas. Like, you just can't complain. Like I say, I've been running it for over a year, and I've had no issues with the car. I thought I was going to end up taking the kit off, before I put it on, because I was kind of skeptical, but the guys have proven me wrong. You know what I'm saying? The car loves the kit. I love the kit. Eventually, you know what I'm saying, I'll be getting another one for another build that I'm going to be working on later on, and I'll introduce that build to the channel pretty soon. But yeah, and like I said, I'm not saying this, to sell this to you guys, because I'm not, like, any way affiliated with them per se. But like I said, the kit is holding it up good. I love the kit. I would definitely purchase one again, and I do think you guys would benefit from running the kits as well, because I've saved money. It may be a little bit expensive, but you're going to save that money in the long run. So, in Dallas right now, I think pump gas for 93 is like $4, but E85 is like 2 something. So you're making your money back pretty quickly. Within that year, you're going to make your money back. So just go ahead, bite the bullet. Go ahead, get the E85 kit, run the E85, get more horsepower, a cleaner engine. Hey, you really can't complain about it. So yeah, go check those boys out over there at Eflex Fuel, and get you guys a kit. Yep. So that's about it. I'm gonna get out of here, go check on my son, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys.